Hi, everyone. My name is Bob Jablonsky. I'm an enrolled agent and a certified tax resolution specialist. My practice focuses on helping real estate agents, real estate brokers, mortgage brokers, and other small business owners navigate their tax issues, whether preparing taxes, tax planning to reduce their taxes, and or dealing with tax problems. Today, I want to talk about what you should do if you haven't filed a tax return in years. And I find this sometimes happen with my clients who can't pay their taxes, so they don't file their taxes. And then this goes on for years, and they just don't know how to get off that merry-go-round. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. So what are some reasons to file your taxes, even if you're late? Well, one, you failing to file a tax return, even though we have a voluntary system, it can be criminal not to file it. So you want to file that tax return. You don't want to be in a position where you could be engaging in a criminal event. The second thing is that the IRS, once again, even though it's a voluntary system, if you don't volunteer, the IRS can volunteer on your behalf and file a tax return. And it's usually not going to be in your benefit. You're going to get all the income reported, but not all the expenses if you have a small business or any other tax deductions or tax credits or things like that. So it's not going to turn out to your benefit. But until you deal with it, that's going to be what you owe the government. You're going to have penalties and interest accruing on the amount that's owed, even though you haven't filed a tax return. Just because you can't see it, it doesn't mean it's not happening. So you want to deal with that. And then what about if you were owed a refund? Do you know that the IRS, you only have 3 years to claim that refund from the due date? So you want to get that. You want to get your tax return filed and claim your refund if you owe it. So how do you get on with her? Get back on track? Well, first, you want to file those tax returns, right? I mean, it's pretty simple in theory, but I know if you've gotten behind, and especially if you're a small business owner with the complexity of filing a Schedule C, it's easier. It sounds easier than it is. Even though you may not have filed for more than 6 years, generally the IRS is going to work with you if you file the last 6 years of returns. According to IRS Policy Statement 5-133, the IRS requires 6 years of returns in order to get into some sort of payment plan or resolve your tax issue. So file those last 6 years to get started. You're going to gather all your documents for each year. You're going to put it in the proper organizational bin that you have it and get ready. You want to get some sort of organizer. If you're working with a professional, they should provide you with an organizer to help you to interview, to make sure you're getting everything ready, all your ducks are in a row. If you don't, go online and find one. Make sure that you're ready before you just go online into TurboTax and start putting in numbers. Make sure you have everything that you need to have and that you've taken the time to do it so you can get the best tax return possible. And then finally, I have a YouTube video out there, a do-it-yourself, on how to file your tax return on your own. Watch it if you're having problems getting through this. It'll probably help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it so that others will watch it. Please subscribe to my channel so that you'll continue to hear more about us and more about what I'm out there teaching you, whether it's to deal with your tax problems or to cut your taxes so that you're paying the lowest amount legally allowable. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And feel free to set up a free 15-minute consultation to see if we're a good fit. You can do that at https://jablonskyandAssociates.com/contact. That will also be in the description to the video below. Or you can call me at 954-715-7285, and I will get you on my calendar. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a great day.